White Lake. Brian Dodd, 14 West Brumanfield. Logan LeClaire, 711 Holly. Rory Fuller, 91 Grand Lake. Chad Fuller, C5 Clarkston. Howard Ayers III, 9 White Lake. Look at the smash 'em up cars out there. Ford Astrovans, Chevy Aztecs. Man, you know, most of these cars could probably be raced out there. There's even a Honda, ladies and gentlemen. Danger Ranger. And hey, I haven't given him enough credit tonight. We got Dave Page over here on the lights doing the business end. He is one of the biggest attributes we got right here. Everybody give Dave a great big thank you. It is Demo Derby. That's what we love. So hey, when this Demo Derby gets done, ladies and gentlemen, get yourself out there on that beautiful midway. Get yourself some fair cuisine. Get yourself some rides. Heck, maybe even play some of that ring toss. I don't know what they're giving away for prizes now, but they used to give away some of the craziest stuff. You get a 10-foot teddy bear because you won the ring toss. And don't forget, tomorrow evening we'll be here. We're going to be doing our King of the Ring point series for our figure eight. Them big cars that were just out here tonight, they're going to be out here again tomorrow night doing a figure eight for you guys. And them stock cars, we convinced them, hey, bring them stock cars back out. Just don't beat them up tonight. Bring them back out and do a figure eight for this crowd. And again, if you're looking for a list of rules and events, go to our Unique Motorsports Facebook page or website, USA Demo Derby's Facebook page and website. And any questions, give John a call. He's willing to answer anything, help anybody out. But don't try and get a hold of him this week. We got 6 shows in 8 days. It's going to be crazy. All right, let's turn them loose. Count them down from 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Cody Ayers in the Psycho. 91 put a heck of a dent in that back window. Danger Ranger still moving around. Oh my goodness, the Honda Accord going nuts. Danger Ranger. Ayers backing him into the wall. That Buick's running on all 6 now. He's trying to move with a flat. They're sandwiching that poor Ford Ranger over there. Ayers in the van, trying to tip one over. M99, gotta make some contact.
Oh, J-turn. Oh, nice J-turn.
Oh, he drove right into the back seat of that car. He's going for it again. 7-Eleven, the Angry Beaver. Number 9 needs to make some contact, and he finds it. The Danger Ranger runs again. Angry Beaver puts it down again. The Psycho Machine looking for a victim. M99 and 9. Danger Ranger trying to find him here. The Psycho Machine.
Give me anything.
7-Eleven trying to find a victim. He finds it. That wheel's all kinds of turn up. The Honda making it look easy. M99 need to find
ours.
I believe we're down to 2 machines left running. M99, 69R, and Cody Ayers. Uh-oh, trying to find that gear. He's all kinds of hung up. Cody Ayers trying to barely whip it. He pins him in.
Get him, get him.
What a battlefield shot. Cody Ayers and Austin Ballard. Let's give him one great big hit, Cody. You guys can do it. Austin Ballard and Cody Ayers. Nose to nose. Who's it gonna be? Cody Ayers or Austin Ballard? Who's it gonna be? Who are we gonna crown your most wanted fine art champion? I think Austin Ballard stalled. Cody Ayers, last machine running. Cody Ayers!
He's pissed off.